Very good evening, my dear students.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Good
evening,
evening.
sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Students, we are dealing with the exercise 6.2 of the chapter triangles. This exercise is based on three concepts. Number one, basic proportionality theorem. Number two, converse of basic proportionality theorem. Number three, corollary of basic proportionality theorem. Is it right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Already we have started our journey in the same exercise wherein first main and second main we have finished today morning. And now I'm going to begin with the third main question. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Charita, will you read beta the third main?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
In figure 6.18, if LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD, prove that AM by AB is equal to AN by AD.
Okay. Students, look at the question. They're talking about in the figure 6.18. Sorry, 18. They have given a rough diagram. In the figure, LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD. We have to prove that AM by AB. Look at the diagram. This is a diagram given. Okay. This is parallel to this. This is parallel to this. Then we have to prove AM by AB equal AN by AD. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let us see what will be the concept. Beta, first assess the diagram. If you look at on the whole ADCB, it is one quadrilateral beta consisting of two regions, one triangular region up, one triangular region down. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We can have a partition here,
Yes, sir.
India, Pakistan. In the above triangle ABC, already they said LN is parallel to BC. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Since it is parallel to BC beta, we have two concepts. Number one, BPT I can use. Part by part is equal to part by part. We have one more option, corollary of BPT. What is that? Part by whole is equal to part by whole is equal to part by whole. Am I right, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes.
Similarly, down triangle in the other country, there also LN is parallel to CD. There are two options. Part by part is equal to part by part, which is BPT. Part by whole is equal to part by whole is equal to part by whole, which is corollary of BPT. Am I right, beta?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So we can go with BPT also, we can go with corollary of BPT also. But look at the asked thing, what we are supposed to prove, beta? What they are telling us to prove?
AM by
AN
AB is equal to
AB
AN
by
by
AN by
AD.
AD.
AN by AD. Look at the concept, beta. AM and AB. AM is a part for this, wherein AB is a whole. Similarly, AN is a part and AD is a whole. So we can clearly understand that corollary of BPT will be much better than the.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So let us assess what we will do. We will make the partition above triangle, below triangle, and one by one we'll start the work. Let us concentrate. In triangle ABC, first point, LM parallel to CB. Why, beta? What is the reason?
Given, sir.
Given, sir.
They said it in the question. Since it is parallel, beta, I'll go for the corollary of BPT. We learned. What is that? Part by whole.
AM by AD.
Am I audible, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. AM by AB is equal to AL by AC is equal to, you can write LM by BC, but this is not required, beta. Only two ratios are sufficient for us. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
I am not taking third ratio. Two are sufficient. The reason, first call it as equation number 1, and the reason beta, corollary of BPT. I hope the concept is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
exactly the same work which we have done in the upper triangle, we will do it in the lower triangle also. Let us write. Can anybody tell beta what I have to write? Tell me the sentences in
In triangle ADC, sir.
ADC. Okay. Yeah.
LN is parallel
LN is parallel to CD.
LN parallel CD. What is the reason?
Given, sir.
Given, sir.
Given. Yeah. What I can write? This implies. Yeah.
AN by
AN
AD
by
equal to AL by AC.
AL by AC.
AN by AD is equal to AL by AC. Beta, here also you can write the third ratio, but not required. Two are sufficient. Equation number 2, the reason. What is the reason, beta?
Corollary of BPT.
Of BPT. So students, copy till here, quick. Do it fast. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, beta. Now final step. Compare equations 1 and 2. You can see that the RHS are same, hence LHS will be same. The things equal to the same thing will be equal to one another. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So final step. From 1 and 2. What was the LHS, beta?
AM by
AM by
AC.
AM
is equals to AL
AN
by
by AD. This is what you are supposed to prove. You can write the reason, axiom, which we have studied in 8th standard. Copy beta, quick. So the answer is very simple. Taking above triangle, up of BPT, taking below triangle, applying the corollary of BPT, comparing equations 1 and 2 to get the final answer. Yes, beta?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Harshita, can you read the fourth one, beta? Next question, quick.
In figure 16.19, DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. Prove that BF by FE is equals to BE by EC.
Yeah. Students, look at the question number 4. I'll read it once again. In the figure 6.19, DE parallel AC and DF parallel AE. Prove that BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. Rough diagram is given, beta. Look at the diagram. What they have given. Okay, beta. Little bit opposite. Let me draw somewhat similar diagram like this.
ಪಪ್ಪಗ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಪಪ್ಪ ಬಂದ ಪಪ್ಪ ಅರ್ಪಿತ್ ಚೀಲಕ್ಕೇನ ಬಾಯಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಲು.
Okay, one triangle ABC. Students, make yourself mute, beta. ABC is a triangle. Then on this BC, beta, they have taken one point E. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, but choosing E is very important, beta. What? This triangle ABC, they have taken a line parallel to AC. Let me draw it again. A line parallel to AC. So look at this. This is a line which is parallel to AC. They called it as DE. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now, beta, they
Yes,
have
sir.
joined A to E. This E point they have joined with A. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The moment they join this, they draw one more line which is parallel to AE from the point D. Are you getting my point? So
Yes, sir.
this line parallel.
Yes, sir.
This is the final touch up to the given diagram. They call it as DF, which is parallel to this. Okay, I'll explain the diagram once again. They took a bigger triangle ABC, wherein BC is a base. Then beta, they targeted AC. For AC, they have drawn one line parallel DE, one line DE parallel, such that D is on the side AB and E is on the side BC. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the first part of the diagram. Afterwards, they joined this end point E with the vertex A, so that they got a side. Then beta, for this AE, they have drawn one more line parallel from the point D, that is DF. This is what the entire figure. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now in
Yes,
this
sir.
figure beta, what we have to prove? What they are telling us to prove?
BF by F is equal to BE by
B by
EE by EC. Look at the concept first. What they are asking, BF by FE, this by this, equal to BE by EC. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now look at the concept. Focus on the first ratio, beta. BF and FE. If you see, these two are the part of the side BE in the triangle BAE. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So first we will target this triangle ABE. In this is parallel to this. They have given. I will apply the BPT. I'll keep one equation ready, which will give the value of this. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First, let us do this one. Later we'll think about this part. Clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. BFFE. It is present in the triangle ABE. So let me take in a triangle ABE. DF parallel AE. DF parallel AE. The reason is given. Is parallel. I'll go to the BPT. Tell me, beta, what I have tried?
BF by FP is equal to BD by AD.
Yeah. BD by AD. Call it as equation number 1, and the reason is BPT. Beta, part by part is equal to part by part. From the brain, in the mindset, you have to remove this DE out. You have to remove this part out and this part out. Only concentrate on ABE and then the lines DF parallel to AE. Clear, beta?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, now we will focus on the next ratio which we want. What is that, beta?
B by BE by EC.
Now focus on BE and focus on EC, beta. This and this are the part of the side BC, and BC belongs to the bigger triangle ABC. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I repeat, BE and EC are the part of BC, which is a bigger side, part of a triangle ABC. So I will take the part, the complete part, that is ABC triangle, in which DE is parallel to AC. Am I right, beta?
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Again, I will apply the BPT. So let us do it. Similarly, tell me, beta, what is the triangle to be taken?
ABC, sir.
ABC. What I can write?
DE is parallel to AC.
AC. The reason, beta, given. They said it in the question, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Implies. Tell me, beta, part by part. What is the part?
BE by EC is equal to BD by AC.
BD by AD. Call it as equation number 2. Again, the reason is BPT. There is nothing great. Exactly the same steps will repeat. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The only thing, beta, in the second part, you have to erase DE, sorry, not DE, beta. You have to erase DF and AE from the mindset. If these two lines are erased, you will understand the figure. Got it, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Now,
sir.
concentrate. From 1 and 2, what I can write, students?
BF
BE by FE equals to
is equal to BE by EC.
This is what we have done in the last question also. RHS are equal, so LHS are equal. Got it, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And this
Yes,
is what
sir.
the proof. This is what the proof we have to get. So write down quick. Do fast.
Finished, sir.
Yeah. Students are done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just the concept is not at all big one, beta. You have to take a triangle ABE, apply the BPT equation number 1. Take the triangle ABC, apply the BPT equation number 2. Just compare them. You will get the final answer. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Akshata, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Will you read the next?
Fifth one, sir.
Yeah.
In figure 6.20, DE parallel to OQ and DF parallel to OR. Show that EF is parallel to QR.
Okay. Students, look at this. Again, a rough diagram is given. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Beta, look at the diagram. I'll draw it. First, they are talking about a bigger triangle, which is PQR. PQR. Bigger triangle. In this one, beta, they have taken one line PO. Look at this. How they have drawn. P is here. Somewhere the point O is taken here. Like this, they have done one straight line PO. Then they joined this OQ. They joined this OR. Am I correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Afterwards, beta. Afterwards, they have taken one DE which is parallel to OQ. For this OQ, they have taken a parallel line like this. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They called it as DE. I'll show it. They said it in the question also. What they said, beta? In the question, DE parallel OQ. DE is parallel to OQ. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
they have
sir.
taken DF parallel to OR. See this, OR. They have taken one DF like this. DF, which is parallel to OR. Then finally, beta, they have joined the points E with F. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, our duty is, I have to prove EF is a parallel to QR. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the question is very interesting. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But simple, bakwas. There is nothing great involved in this one. I'll repeat the diagram again. All of you observe carefully. One bigger triangle PQR is taken, in which O is any point in triangle. They joined the vertex P with O. They called it as PO, one straight line. Then from O, they joined to Q. From O, they joined to R. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then they focused on OQ. They drawn a line DE parallel to OQ. Similarly, focused on OR. They drawn a line DF parallel to OR. At the end, they joined the end points E and F with a straight line. Now they are telling, since this and this and this are parallel, according to our question, you should show that this is parallel to this. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So question comes, what can be done? Beta, focus at the end, from the last we will focus. I want this parallel this. So we can think about converse of BPT. When I will say this is parallel to this, if part by part is equal to part by part. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That
sir.
is, if the line EF divides PQ and PR proportionately, then we can say it is parallel to this according to the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you got the point. Now, our question, our headache, how we can prove PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR? Nothing to worry, beta. Make India, Pakistan, two partitions. What is that? POQ. Take one triangle.
POQ
Really?
and
This is
POR.
parallel to this. Apply BPT. Then POR, other triangle. This is parallel to this. Again, apply the BPT. You will get your required answer. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So let us begin. In a triangle POQ, DE
D is parallel to
parallel OQ given. When it is parallel, I can apply BPT. PE by EQ is equal to PD by
PD by DO.
BO. You can write OD. You can write. It doesn't matter. The reason is BPT. Similar, there is one more triangle, beta. What is the triangle?
Triangle
POR.
POR.
POR. In this, again they said DF is parallel to OR. Again we will apply BPT, beta. There is nothing. Great. What is the BPT, beta? PD by OD. Am I right?
PR by FR.
Yeah.
Sir, in triangle POR, sir.
Yeah, beta. What I have written. Sorry. I made it Q. Make it POR, beta. POR. Okay. PD by OD. Nothing but DO is equal to PF by FR. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Equation to BPT. Now, beta, again compare 1 and 2. From 1 and this value and this value is same, beta. This is equal to this person. This person is also equal to this person. So these two will be equal to one another. Axiom. Things equal to the same thing should be equal to one another. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now focus on the last concept. What we got? We got P by EQ. Look at the diagram. Part by part equal to PF by FR. Part by part. Triangle. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
What does it mean?
Yes, sir.
It means this side and this side is divided proportionately by the line EF. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
implies EF is a parallel part. What is the reason, beta?
Converse of BPT, sir.
Yeah,
Converse of
converse
Thales.
of BPT or is Thales theorem. Both are correct. That is the reason. Got the concept, beta?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Here you write axiom is the reason. Students, copy fast. Do fast.
Finished, sir.
All of you are done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Beta, the questions are very easy. Need not to worry much about it. Everywhere, applying the BPT, comparing with the axiom, and then getting the results. Fine, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I don't think the repetition is needed. Already we have done so many questions. You will understand. Yes, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One more question. Let me finish. Question number 6, which is exactly similar to the 5th one. Mia, can you hear me? Okay, Renukacharya, audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta, read the sixth one, quick.
Yes, sir. In figure 6.21, A, B, and C are points on OP, OQ, and OR, respectively, such that AB parallel to PQ and AC parallel to PR. Show that BC parallel to QR.
Okay, beta, the question is exactly similar, only the diagram is somewhat different. Let us see what is the diagram. See that in figure 6.21, so we have to refer the figure 6.21. Let me draw the diagram directly. There is a bigger triangle PQR, somewhat like this. Beta, if you observe, there is one more small triangle ABC inside it. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But directly don't focus on the triangle ABC. First focus on the central point O, which is there inside the triangle. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let me concentrate on this O. They have joined PO. They have joined QO. They have joined OR. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then beta, they have taken the parallel lines. Look at the question. They said AB parallel PQ. For PQ, they have taken a line AB which is parallel. I think A is here, B is here. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is parallel to this. Next, what is the concept? AC parallel.
PR.
Yeah. AC is a parallel to PR. Beta, these arrow marks shows the parallelity. Joined B with C. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They joined BC. It is our duty to prove BC is a parallel to QR. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Exactly the same, similar to the earlier question, but only the diagram is changed. Right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Let us continue. Let us go for the work. Again, beta, concentrate at the end. I want this. BC parallel this. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
BC and QR is present in OQR. Both are present in the triangle OQR. Am I right, beta? So,
Yes, sir.
in the triangle OQR, if I prove this by this is equal to this by this, that is part by part is equal to part by part, I can apply the converse of BPT and I can say Zindabad. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in order to get that, I will apply the BPT for this triangle POQ, then for the triangle POR. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. In this one, AB is parallel to PQ. Given. When it is parallel, I can go for the BPT by AP is equal to OB by BQ. Equation number 1, BPT is the reason. Then, which is the other triangle, beta?
POR, sir.
Similarly, in a triangle POR, AC is parallel to PR. They said given. I can apply the BPT. Yeah, beta.
OA by
AP
A.
again. Yeah, OA or AO. Better, I'll write it as OA by AP equal to. Yeah, beta. What is the ratio?
OC by CR.
CR. Equation 2. The reason BPT. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
From 1 and 2. Again, you can see that the LHS are same, so RHS should be equal. OB by BQ is the same as OC by CR. The reason, axiom. Now focus on the result which we got. Look at that. OB is a part, BQ is a part of the side OQ. Similarly, OC and CR are the parts of the side OR. Fortunately, and this side belongs to the triangle OQR, wherein BC is a line joining. So we can judge the line joining BC dividing the two sides OQ and OR proportionately. Hence, it should be parallel to this according to the converse of BPT. Right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
B parallel QR. The reason, converse of BPT. Students, copy fast. Quick. Do it quick.
Yes.
Yes, beta. It is exactly similar steps, beta, to the earlier question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
beta.
sir.
With this question, I'm going to end today's session. Tomorrow morning, beta, again we will be back. Remaining 3 to 4 questions of the same exercise 6.2 will be completed. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.